the GK star and don't forget to press the. So here is the first question. When is National Unity Day observed in India? So answer is 31st October every year. Next question here on the screen. In whose memory National Unity Day is observed in India? Correct answer is Sardar Patel. When was National Unity Day observed for the first time in India? Correct answer is in 2014. When was Statue of Unity inaugurated? It is in the year 2018. Next question. Who first coined United we stand, divided we fall? It is John Dickinson. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is popularly known as Dash. Steel Man of India, Superman of India, Iron Man of India or Unity Man of India. So correct option is C, Iron Man of India. Name the highest civilian award honored to person or institute for contributing to unity and integrity of India. Answer is Sardar Patel National Unity Award. What portfolio did Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel had in first Lok Sabha? It is Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister. Complete the title of this initiative launched by PM Modi in 2015 to promote unity and integrity of India. Ek Bharat Desh Bharat. So answer is Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. If you enjoyed this video, then do like, subscribe, share and comment, and thank you for watching this video.